Hello everyone, today we will be discussing class 10 computer application 2023 ICSE paper pattern and quick recap of important topics. So let's start. Paper is divided into two parts. Section A 40 marks, it is compulsory, there are no options available. This section is divided into two parts, question 1 and question 2. Question 1 is 20 mark MCQ, 20 mark MCQ. And then question 2 is 10 questions, 2 mark each. Okay, now this section is divided into these topics. Okay, question can come theoretical, question may come for predict the output, rewrite the code. Now what is rewrite the code? If question is given with while, they may ask you to do it with for or vice versa. Okay, next is write the Java expression. What does it mean? If p raised to 4 plus q is given and the question says that convert it into Java expression, then we don't have p raised to 4 kind of thing. Okay, we have to use math.power. Likewise, you have to do Java expression. Now how many times loop executes? This is very important topic. Definitely one question will be there. How many times a particular loop executes? What does it mean? They will give you a for loop or while loop or do while loop, and they may say I less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. In the loop some coding is there, but before that break is written. Then how many times loop will execute? Nothing, 0 time. Why? Because it will enter into the loop and will come out, body will not execute. So you have to take care of break and continue where in the given loop if it is given. Next is increment decrement operator. Definitely one mathematical expression will be given based on pre or post increment or decrement, and you have to solve that expression to find the result. Next is math function. Very important. Very important. What? Math function. Definitely 2 to 4 mark questions will be based on math functions. So recap it, revise it properly. Next, section B. Now section B, there will be 6 questions, 6 programs will be given, and you have to write any 4 programs. Now in that first program will be based on description program. What does it mean? If else if, ladder based program. That is, for example, if a particular showroom is giving this much discount, then based on the purchase amount there are different discounts available. Accordingly you have to solve the question. Such type of question are based on description program, and definitely this is fixed. Every year one question comes on this, and this year there are 100% chances that this question will come. If else if, ladder. Here the very important part in this question is what? We have to take care of printing part, because print in a tabular form will be there. Print in tabular form. So that you have to take care. Next is number logic program. Every year one question comes based on this. In this category, what comes in? A particular number is given and you have to check whether it is Adam number, Armstrong number, palindrome, special, perfect. Every year they give different number. There are different videos made by me on number based program. The link for number based programs are given in the description box. You can check that videos. Next question. Question number 5 will be based on either sorting or searching. Now in sorting, this year in 2023 only one sorting is included, bubble sort. Then 100% chances is there that one question will be there on bubble sort, because only one sorting technique is included. Next is searching. Searching can be linear or binary. So linear search and binary search program, you have to go through it thoroughly. Next, question number 6 generally comes on. Question number 6 comes on either overloading or pattern or sum of the series. Now they may mix these questions. How do they mix? they ask overloading program, and in that one part will be to print the sum of series, one part will be to print the pattern, like that. Okay, so question 6 is generally based on overloading program or pattern or sum of the series. Question number 7, string program. Now string program, it may include binary search for the string or sorting for the string. Such kind of questions can come. Array based program, now array based program is sorting, merging. So these two sometimes they are combined together, means array of string is given. Array of string will be given. Very important is your 60 marks are based on programming. So you have to focus on programming. You have to work on logic of your programs. That is very, very important. Now let us quickly recap the topics. Now first chapter is revision of class 9 syllabus. In this, what do we expect? See, introduction of object oriented programming. Very important here is what? You have to work on OOPS principle. What are that? OOPS principle, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, and last is abstraction. You have to work on this. Definitely one question for theory will be there based on this. Next, values and data type. Now values and data type, you have to remember default values of all the data type, primitive data type, default values and size of primitive data types. You should remember default values and sizes of primitive data types. Next, operators. There won't be a specific question on operator, but it is mixed of all the operators, or sometimes it is ternary operator, conversion from if else to ternary, or vice versa. And increment decrement operators are also included in this. Input in Java, we know input in Java is using scanner class. Next is mathematical library methods. Very, very important. As I earlier said, you people have to practice this thoroughly, because 2 to 4 mark question will come on math class. Next is conditional construct, that is if else if ladder or switch. They may ask what is fall through, switch. What is fall through? Now what is fall through? They may ask the question for fall through in the switch. Fall through in the switch is what? When inside switch, when we don't give break statement, then all the cases after the matching case will execute, is nothing but fall through. Next, iterative construct. Iterative construct are while, do while and for. We know these two are entry controlled and this one is exit controlled loop. Okay, in do while the loop will execute at least once, even if the condition is not fulfilled, but that is not the case with while and for loop. Next topic is function. Now function is important because definitely as we look at the programming part, this is very, very important for programming, and in theory they may ask about signature and prototype, formal parameter and actual parameter. Now what is actual parameter and formal parameter? What is function prototype? See, if I write like this, void add int x comma int y, this is function signature, right? Now what are these x and y? They are called formal parameters. What are they? They are called formal parameters. Now when I call this function ob.add, from where? From public static void main. When we call this function, and if I pass 12 and 13, so 12 and 13 are actual parameter and x and y are formal parameter. Next is pure impure methods. They are also called pass by value, pass by reference, that you have to see. Next is static and non-static method. If you declare a particular method as static, like this, static void add int x comma int y. If I declare a particular method static, what happens? Whatever is the definition from PSVM, you can directly call add. You don't have to create the object ob.add. You don't have to write. Right? In the same way, all other methods which we don't declare static are by default non-static methods. Next is constructor. Now what is constructor? Very important. If constructor is a special type of methods with same name as that of class. For example, if class is A, inside class if I write A, then this is what? This is constructor. There are two types of constructor, parameterized and non-parameterized, or we can say default constructor. If you don't mention any constructor, if you don't write this code in your program, constructor will be provided by compiler and constructor will be called automatically to allocate the memory. Now this is non-parameterized. You may include the parameter. How do you include a int x? So this is called parameterized constructor. So when you create the object of class A, AOP is equal to new A, and then I am sending here 13. So this 13 will go where? In X, right? Constructors are called at the time of creation of object. Next is wrapper classes inside library class. This is very important theory question of 2 marks will come on this. They may ask you what is wrapper class, different methods available in the wrapper class. Next is auto boxing and unboxing, right? That is important part of wrapper classes. What is auto boxing and unboxing? Auto boxing means when you convert primitive data type into the object, that is auto boxing of respective wrapper class. Then it is when you convert primitive data types into their respective objects of wrapper classes, it is auto boxing, and unboxing is what? Reverse of it. Next, encapsulation. In encapsulation chapter, very important, public, private, protected, you have to see carefully. You should know where, when we declare something private, something public or protected, what happens. Next is array chapter. In array, very important is length, and in string we have length function. In array, if I write a dot length, if a is the array, int a, if a is the array, then a dot length will give me length of the array. And if a is string, that is, if I write here string a, then a dot length is the function to give length of the string. Very important, array starts from 0, but length is always actual length. So here a dot length is 5, but array indices are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So third element is a2. Are you getting me? Third element will be a2. So in examination, if they ask you what is a2, so you have to count by 0, count from 0 and then print the third element. Suppose if it is 17, then you may write 17. Again, a dot length will give you actual length of the string. Here spaces and special symbols are included. For programming practice, you can watch my different videos. Link for the same is given in the description box. Thank you.